Hi folks, I'm Ron Brown. Welcome to my shop. Today I'd like to talk to you about some of the finer points of sharpening our high-speed steel tools. This comes up all the time when I'm out on the woodworking show circuit, and I've developed a few jigs and fixtures and stuff to make it a lot easier and a lot more reliable. And that's what I'd like to talk to you about today. So if you join me at the grinder, we'll go over them. When it comes to high-speed steel tools, there are 6 basic categories. 4 of them, the bowl scraper, the spindle roughing gouge, parting tools, and skews, we sharpen on the platform. The other 2 that we sharpen using the pocket and holding fixtures are spindle gouges and bowl gouges. And that's what makes everybody crazy. So that's what I'm going to focus mostly on. The key to sharpening tools like scrapers and that sort of stuff is in getting this angle the same every single time, which is a little hard to do with this. So I've developed something we call the quad jig because it sets 4 different angles over here on the platform: the bowl scraper, the skew, the parting tool, and the roughing gouge. So all you do is just take that when you make 2 points of contact. It's dead on. It doesn't really matter where this is. As soon as you've made 2 points of contact, it's there. So what that does for us is now our scraper will be ground exactly the same this time and every time. Same thing with the parting tools and the spindle roughing gouges.